Mike V, freaking power hour. Hold on a second. P&L not getting better. Power hour. Okay. First and foremost, what do we have? It's not what do we do? What do we got in front of us? Okay. At 3 o'clock, this is the plan or the list. Okay. This is what we have here. If you didn't do anything yet, don't do anything now. Microsoft. Is it really these? Microsoft, Meta, Coinhood, Carvana, Roku, Etsy, Starbucks, Riot, Nova, like it, Booking, NXT. Do you know something? I could be in the next. I could put myself in literally the next tax bracket with this. I literally could put myself in the next tax bracket. SMCI, XBI bearish. Not digging it anymore. XBI. Some things are going on here. Well, you know what I like? I like this stock short. Look at this. I got the option thing. LI breaking high. Something's going on. LI, by the way. Okay, hold on. Something's going on with Long Island, New York. Here I went right here. And I'm in it. Well, I get 19 windows open. Fucking regroup, Mike V. Here we go. LI the one. LI the one. 8 minutes ago. Do you hear me? LI, why is it the one? More importantly, forget about it. Option flow, tons of it. China's starting to go from the worst to first today. There's the flow in LI. CRK is one of the most. I'm not. It's not even a. By the way, I'm sorry about that LT. I told you that LTBR yesterday. That was the freaking top. I jinxed it, Nick. Right at the 15 striker. CRK. It's the epitome of relative strength. What am I going to here? LTBR. No, I had another point. LI. Let's get back to this. LI. This is the one. Calls, price action, range. They want this thing bad. Printing up. Some, I'll do that. We'll buy more LI. We'll buy that on the smart route. A lot of things moving. Let's go to the main screen. D-Dog. Hut. Still taking calls. Hut Minor. Emails all over the place. You know what's hurting me? Airlines. CRK. Comstock Resources. How can you not like this freaking stock? Go to a weekly. That's it. How much is that? 1,000,000 shares traded? Let's add freaking 4,000 to this. That the market will drive it up. Comstock. All right, what else? UAL, VFC, followed through. DJT, of course, gave it back. Crocs worked. Followed through. A lot of these stocks worked on the follow through. What else? Maxon. What was this I was just talking about, Mick? Maxon Solar Technologies. I'm looking to stock it, $6 in the morning. Now I get solar, Fizzler obviously went from down 21 to at one point down $1. Maxon Solar. What happened here? 6 to 11.20, if you will. Can we call it a double? Maxon. CRK. I'm in that fucking thing. Right now. Excuse me. I'm sorry. What about this one? Garmin. It's Garmin's world. Is that fundamentals? Is it FOMO? Doesn't matter. It's finishing at the highest, got a good range, price action. Not in it. Shake Shack. Same thing. Shake Shack finishing at the bottom. You know why? Because that's CMG. A lot of bifurcated things. Chipotle at the low, Shake Shack near the high. FVRR. This one is the one they're talking about. MIR. I don't know what it does yet. Miriam Technologies. Keep an eye on this freaking thing. 12 to 1480. Let's go to the weekly ultimate complement. This thing might be a force to be reckoned with, Miriam Technologies. All right. I'm going to put it on the screen. I'm not in it. I don't want to be in it yet. Miriam Technologies. It moves. Miriam, MIR. You know what's interesting to me? This GO did a freaking 5 million share block at 1385. And you know what? These other grocery outlet, these other stores, look at Scott's SFM. Ooh, that reversed the SFM has two back-to-back days. Look at the, by the way, Sprouts Farmers Market. This October 30th, we'll say, it's 119. Last October 30th, give or take, 40. It's triple. Be careful. Scott's Fresh Market. Who else has earnings? Before the open, Uber, P-Time, the run of all runs. Or one of them. I shouldn't say run of all runs. P-Time. NCLH. RCL. That reversed huge into earnings. Why not the heavily shorted national or Norwegian? CCL. And oh my God, NCLH. We're at some options. We're at the buy. We're at 10 calls, which were 10, 22 and a half October later in the month calls with tomorrow. We're talking about. It's what it's worth. Binary move. Bristol, ConocoPhillips, Philip Morris is the run over, or is it going to just resume again? Big Mo. Any question? Let me go to my thing here. Hour. You know what? VSTE. You know what, Mick? Can't do it. Run over? I can't do it. There's too many other sexy things for me. Damn, DC, let's go in there. That's from some OKC. VSTE, I get it. Mick, you know what? You've been good with these, and that's not a. I get it. This is what I see when I see VSTE. Doesn't mean it can't work. Never has back-to-back days. The first, and it's not even over the 200 day. I get it. It's never had back-to-back days. I hope it goes to 12. I really do. You know I do. Pass. Pitney Bowes. And by the way, Intel's been taking calls. I wouldn't do it. It's Intel's a turnaround story. There it is. It's almost like another of these plays. You know, what are you going to do? Intel could very easily, pass. Intel bullish. It is what it is. Intel's taking calls. Market's fucking flying back. Reddit, Snapchat, ENVX, Caesars, UAL, VFC, Donnie, ALB, Coin has earnings, Hut, #1 in calls. Is it maybe it's not looking hot? There's the 200-day resistance on the weekly, if there is a resistance on Hut. I just don't like all the cheering on Bitcoin at this point. Everybody can't sleep at night. I'm hearing that, you know what I mean? Although SMCI, which was a long, poor people, believe me, I came close. How was I not listen to this? This MCI was a long last night. Open down 18, 49. I hope it goes back up. Let's look at the tweet feed late in the day. Just because it's too early to start loading up at 3:14. Yeah, I'm sure. You know what my biggest loser is? United Airlines. You know I'm short the airline. I am. Down 22,000 in. My average price is 77.38. It's the most overbought it's been in history. That's what happens when you do something overbought. The biggest moves come at the end, and I'm telling you, I hope this is the end. Where's LI? See this? We bought more on the dip. Live trading, Mike V. LI came in what? What on the 4,000? Should be buying more. No. EMPH. What is this? APP. I'm shorted. I'm up in it. Reddit. HPK. Dollar General. I'm short Dollar General. For those that's wondering what the hell is going on here, I am in it. Where is the freaking charts? Here. Taking calls, the wrong calls. Dollar General, weekly. I think if something happens, I'm more likely to make $10. It is an $80 stock. Let's look at Costco. In the sector, finally starting to show that is the best of breed, by the way. On the three major moving averages, I'm not saying it's a bear, it's going into a bear market, but then I looked at Walmart. All right, you know what I mean? It's Walmart's a different story, but I am short Dollar General $5. You have a lot of buying power, by the way. Dollar General. Yeah, we got you, Sunrise Trader. F you. AAP in the 52-week low list. Advanced Auto Parts. I can't even tell you what happened with me with this thing. And that's a short too. Believe me, Advanced Auto Parts, I know the stock because I was long it and it went from freaking 38 to, you know what? I might have to short it. Advanced Auto Parts, you want to short. Crude bounces. Orly Auto Parts. I think that had a bad day. Orly. That's the best of breed. Or O'Reilly Automotive. Let's look at Goodyear Tire. We'll look at some automotive parts. All right, you get the picture. CL. Institutional sold U.S. stocks at the fastest pace. No problem. Bird flu and a pig in the United States. Plenty of stocks reporting. This is some list again. Follow us, Scott. What you most excited about? LMND. Where's Jeff? LMND, or is the insurance sector. AIG, as we used to call it on the desk. Everybody loves lemonade, right? Because it's lemonade. Earnings. XPO. I gotta lighten up. When you get to this level, it's you, me, or somebody against himself. Larry, DGH guest, thank you, coach. Simple. Simple. Index right. Go the direction. Add to winners. Knowing the trade big or small. And you know what I feel like today? I was telling Surf's Up. I feel like I'm starting to gamble a little bit. That's not good. Important post. I'm going to like that. If we get an S&P trend below the 20-day, I would see the 21-day. Not going to say it's going to happen. Oh, by the way, please go to TGH. Let me finish with the Uber as earnings too. Something happening? Maxing, Reddit, nerds. Look at this. I posted, I believe, I still hope it's up here. I'll finish with this on TradeGATEHub. Oh, no. Oh, no. Power hour, a little sloppy. I'll get better. It's not, I'm not into a routine yet. Bear with me, it's worth it. If not, you can go to the Red YouTube channel and look at the video. Today's Wednesday. I believe it was Monday. I posted this. Hang in there. It's almost there. I'm going to get cut off. I feel it. We got it. Oh, you know what it is? It's important. That was gold, by the way. Accurate. Go back to that. For the time being, at least the stocks. GLD is still positive as the stocks are pulling back. I'm not that smart. Here you go. It should be, there it is. I had posted this biggest implied moves for the week. These are the implied earnings moves like tonight. Snap. It is up 18%. I think it's literally up 16%. Piton looking for 15%. Carvana is going to move 13%. It's 200. Roku's going to move. SoFi already moved. Reddit moved. 40%. There was the implied move on Reddit. It's up 40% today. Rocks. So that's why they blew it out. Anything that gets that extreme, it's all call related. And by the way, they just chased the calls. 10-year high of the day. Excel. Boom. Remember, I did the video on this Excel. Has it. Did the video this morning. I'll let you go. I gotta go. Mike V, MSTR, Intel's the only one that's going wide bullish. That doesn't really. I wish more was going across right now. Somebody to the close, but let me go to the YouTube channel and see if I have any questions later off. CRK, I'm sure I top tick. Actually, I don't think that way. That's a loser way of thinking. Doesn't really. Bivy. Oh, look at BC. Oh my God, its first one he gives is Bivy. 283 Bivy. I saw it up today. It could go. I'm not just saying that I saw it up, but this is what I see when I see Bivy. First of all, it's got to hold this, whatever's going on, 280. I know, I saw it. And you know what? It has bio in it. Bio, anything that has bio or therapeutic or I'm in. All right. So Mike V, there, let's leave it here. Most active list in the corner. Thanks for sharing. All right, I'll be here. Ask questions in the room. You got to be in the room, TG. It's not on YouTube. All right. You see the earnings list. Be prepared for what's going on. Tomorrow we're going to be active. It's unfortunately the VIX is a little abated to at least this point, but a lot of stocks are moving. All right, that's what we.